everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Akshita. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is preservation of food. How do farmers protect rice from pests? Why does curry get spoiled when kept out for a couple of days but pickle stays fresh for so long? How is this possible? Let's see. It is because of preservation. By the way, what is preservation? Preservation is used to store food for a long time. It avoids food spoilage at the same time. It also protects the nutritional value of the food item. Till now, we have learnt that we require some materials to prepare food, also called as ingredients. And we also learnt about the methods of preparation while cooking food. And we also learned how food gets its taste, right? But if we want to store food so that we can eat day after tomorrow or any time, but not today, if we want to store or save food for a longer period or time, then preservation is used to store the food. And it also avoids the food spoilage. That means it keeps the food item fresh and it also protects the nutritional value. Salt and turmeric are used while preparing pickles or for the preservation of pickles. Sugar syrup or honey is a good preservative. Fruits are often preserved in sugar syrup or honey. Jams and fruit juices are good examples of preservation with sugar. Now, let us see few ways of preserving food. Like adding salt, chili powder and oil is most commonly used in pickles like lemon pickles. Then adding only salt, for example meat or fish. Then drying dried chilies. We dry few vegetables in the sunlight. And then the final is sugar syrup. Fruits are preserved as sugar syrups. Like for example, we make them as candies or jellies, or we preserve them as fruit juices or sugar syrup. Items in the market have harmful preservatives. So the items which we buy in the market, they have harmful preservatives. Few of them, they have harmful preservatives. These harmful preservatives are used to preserve food, but they are harmful and they harm our health. So while buying any food item in the market, make sure that you check the ingredients and the manufacturing date of that food item. So here we have a food item, potato chips. And the ingredients are potato, edible vegetable oil, that is palmolene oil, rice bran oil, sugar, iodized salt, milk products, that is milk solids, cheese powder. We use spices and condiments also. They use spices and these condiments which we have learned. What are condiments? Can you tell me? Yes, condiments are the materials which add flavor to the food, like cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. These are all the condiments. They add flavor to the food. So even these condiments are used while making potato chips, onion powder, parsley powder, pepper powder and edible starch. So these are all the ingredients or the materials which are used while preparing potato chips. and the manufacturing date is given as 27th September 2020. So even you have to check these ingredients and manufacturing date like this just now how we checked of every food item when you buy in the market. Because eating expired food items may cause damage to our health, right? If we eat expired food items, we should not consume them because they are harmful to our health and they may cause some damage to our health.